Well, I'm a drug addict. I'm an alcoholic. I'm a product of my environment. I was raised in a gang-infested area. My family's, my friends, my family's friends, cousins, aunts, uncles are all into drugs, selling drugs, drinking every day. So I grew up watching that, thinking it was a normal thing to do. So I was I did that most of my life. You know, I started at the age of 13, and when I decided to go to recovery because my life was not worth living anymore. I was 47, so I had to leave the lifestyle to come to recovery. I went to Las Vegas to get sober. I learned a lot of things about myself. I've always had a good heart. I just never knew how to utilize it because of all the hate that I had and the misunderstanding of myself from others. So I drowned myself in alcohol, and I used in everything that I could get my hands on just to escape reality. I came to recovery March 3rd, 2015 was my sobriety date. I lost everything I had. My son, my son's mother, we both were in our addiction, and I guess CPS came by and basically saying to do and remove my son because of all the chaos that was happening at my residence. So we were forced to go to recovery. She decided to take the other road and run off with my my cousin because she couldn't handle the stress of us not having our son. Went to an outpatient program here in Huntington Beach where I became an assistant house manager, and then I became the house manager, and then became a liaison of multiple houses. When I got here, I didn't have a driver's license. I had lost my license at the age of 18, a couple months after I got my license. And ever since I had multiple DUIs, high-speed chases, and I was just doing some things that I shouldn't have been doing. So I went to school for 18 months, you know, every day on my bike, and got my license. And I was looking for a regular job, 9 to 5 or whatnot. So I applied here at Coastline, and I got hired as a support staff. I work my program. I have a sponsor. I help others, sponsees. So I wanted to work in recovery because I wanted to give back what was freely given to myself. And I always thought, you know, when we were taken to these meetings and taken to recovery centers, and I wanted to, I see myself doing that for other people. So I came to Coastline. I like everything about Coastline, the ethics here, the love that is shared, that is given, everything that's provided for the clients here. This place really has a heart for the person that is still suffering. We go above and beyond to give everything these clients need, the support, the love, the understanding, the hearing ear. I really enjoy my job here. I understand a lot of these clients, where they come from, what they're feeling. So I try to give the best that I've always been to them, to instill these young men to become something bigger than themselves and to become successful. And I know they all have it in them because they're intelligent. They're just set in their ways. A lot of people come from different backgrounds, and I see a little bit of me in everybody. And so I try to help them to where I was not helped when I was growing up. So we have different departments that deal with different ways of dealing with different issues with these clients. And at the end, as a team, we come up with a solution to present to these clients, and they get these tools that they utilize when they are out of here and go into the real world and our success rate is great. It's there are some struggles, which is good because that's why we're here. We understand and we're compassionate, and we just do what we do above and beyond to show these clients that they are somebody, they are worth something, and they do matter.